Okay, this is Susan at Tipsy's World. I am trying out Weller's wood burning kit. Comes with the wood burner and lots of tips. These are the tips that come with it, along with what they do. The kit also comes with 3 patterns that you can use to practice on. A little practice board, a round block of wood, and I've transferred a pattern onto it using the supplied carbon paper and one of the patterns. And the tip I have on it currently you barely have to touch it and it will leave a mark. Touch it to the wood, not to your skin. And I think I'm going to swap it out for a different tip for this particular pattern. And you want to have, ideally, needle nose pliers and a glass dish to apply. And it takes about 4 minutes to heat up. Although this has been heating for quite some time. It's Christmas, so I'm fielding phone calls. The kit also has a little stand. It's plastic with a little piece of metal on it. So hopefully I won't burn down the kitchen. One of the tips included you can use for foam and other things, but it involves a X-Acto knife and an X-Acto tip that you screw in and put the blade in. You can also transfer prints using this little flat thing. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So let's see how well this is heated up. This can also be used on leather. And since I do leather work, I hope maybe to get good enough to try it on leather. Okay, this is a piece of balsa wood, so it burns quite readily. Ah, smell of burned wood. All right, let's see what kind of damage I can do here. It's a little awkward. Whoa. Yeah, this is going to take a lot of practice. Yeah, you can't leave it on any length of time. I haven't done this in a few years. I was in grade school last time I did wood burning. I refuse to incriminate myself with stating how long ago that was. I'm not sure what kind of wood this is. It's kind of lightweight. It might be... It said not to use pine wood because of the sap content. It will mess up your tips. Okay, you don't want to press down. You just want to lightly touch the wood, which I was not doing earlier on, and it was digging in. Oops, like that.
I'm not going to touch it. You don't have to stick your paw on it. I'm just going to step over it.
I think you're going to steal it from him.
Yeah, he took Still, I want your turkey.
Well, all in all, this seems to be working quite well.
Good. Do it again. You think I'm going to take it? Well, I am. I'm going to try to take it. I'm going to try to take it. Try to take it. Good.
Oh, I managed not to burn down the kitchen.